Hello, this is Pratibha Tarigunda. Let us discuss today analysis what market has given for us information and what is the plan for next tomorrow 24th March. So if you see today the CPR is very narrow means which is a trending day. So and also CPR opened above previous day CPR which indicates the positive sign, and today market opened in a gap down range exactly near around previous day CPR, which is taken a resistance around resistance R2. So exactly at CP pivot points. So when we see this exactly after breaking this zone, if you see, after breaking this zone, we have waited a confirmation for this candle and entered around here in this 955 candle. So, which is a after breaking the day high, today's day high, and also breaking a resistance, which acted as a strong resistance of this pivot line. So, after entering this, as market opened below the CPR, so we expected our target to be a CPR as a high resistance. Even it moved till R1, but we captured only till here, which market moved previous day high. So previous day high has taken a very high resistance and formed a M pattern. If you see, after breaking this M pattern, market have a very high fall, which closed around the opening. So which is like a how we used to do in uptrend of V-shape recovery. It's like a in PE side it is a like a V-shape recovery. Earlier we initially thought that as there is a hike rate on US side which impacts our market and will fall again, but drastically market rise till afternoon, first half more than first half, and then we have a sudden fall which is like a panic selling. So this panic selling might impact tomorrow or else may stay in a range bound if bulls are back. So for example, we'll see it in a longer time frame. At daily time frame, if you see daily time frame, whenever we have a parallel zone, we are aware this parallel zone in the time frame. So whenever we have a red candle, next immediate candle which is trying to capture till the top of the red candle or the parallel zone high. So if you see here, same it happened here, and tomorrow so we are having a similar it weekly level. Sorry, it's not a daily, it's a weekly level. So we have a chance again that market may move next 2 3 weeks still to touch this parallel zone, so in weekly frame. So if this criteria should meet, if it should not break around this 16800, so it should halt, or if it halt here and if it breaks, then we may achieve a higher targets. So when it comes to 15 minutes time frame, 15 minutes time frame, if you see, we have as we have a today market is like a U shape. So you can see this, right? Okay, let us see. So there is a trend line breakout in 15 minutes. Also, we have a larger time frame. Trend line has been broken. So if you remove these drawings all, then if you see, so there is a exactly it's available in a symmetric triangle pattern in a longer time frame. Symmetric triangle pattern, this is the symmetric triangle pattern. So if market opened here, traded and break in this symmetric triangle, then we have a target to achieve today's high. If not, if market opens a gap down, there is a high resistance, very high resistance here. 1720, 17,000 is a very high resistance, and then if the 17,000 broken, it immediately should reach around 16,850. So but as we are having a multiple, it formed a double top and moved to closed above 17,000, we may expect some range bound and then to positive if it won't broken to 16,800. When it comes to bank nifty, in the same case, so bank nifty is more negative when compared to nifty. It reached around exactly resistance of previous day where we have taken a pullback and moved to positive side. So if market opens a gap down, so we can see previous day around 39,200 as a next resistance. This is the next resistance, and 30,000 38,900 is the next immediate support which we have. When it comes to positive side, we can expect today's high is a next target, as we have a drastic fall. So we can expect some halt, or we have a v-shaped recovery in a CE side tomorrow. That's it. Hope for the all the best for the next trades. Thank you.